I'm Dr. Shantala Rudresh. I've been practicing homeopathy since 15 years. I've done my MD in homeopathy, and when I wanted to launch my website for the first time, I just spoke to few of my friends to give me an idea to start the website. Everybody told me that it has to be unique, and even I was thinking the same. And when I went through the websites, I came to know like what is that people wanted from a homeopath. As I'm a homeopath, I wanted people to come and take homeopathy, and I was just thinking, what is that they require? Shall I write 100 pages about homeopathy, or shall I write any other problems, whatever the myths that they carry in their mind about homeopathy? Then finally I decided, all of a sudden I decided, let my patient speak to you people, so that it is the testimony, so you get convinced about homeopathy. So hereby I made my patient speak to my interview, whoever has taken the interview, Purnima, and so that it is their own experiences. Whatever they are saying here is their own experiences of taking homeopathic treatment from me. I want people to take away all the myths about homeopathy. Just to name few, homeopathy doesn't contain any steroids in it, and people should come and take homeopathy. Homeopathy is not slow. Only when you come to a doctor, when you experience taking the medicines, then only you will know about the system of medicine. People have got lot of myths about homeopathy. They know homeopathy is what homeopathy can do. More than that, they know what homeopathy cannot do, and lot of myths saying that medicines contain steroids and homeopathy is slow. No, homeopathy is not slow. In acute cases, severe, as fast as it can be, and in chronic diseases it takes time. Homeopathy is not slow, and please don't carry away by the myths and carry away by the people who talk about homeopathy without knowing homeopathy. If you want to know about homeopathy, please consult the experienced doctors who can speak about them. I just want to speak about homeopathy through my website. This is my idea of doing the website. I want to know what people want to know from a homeopath, and these are the testimony of my patients, whoever has spoken about homeopathy, taking the personal experiences of the patients. I am hereby keeping it in front of you, so that lots and lots of people take the advantages of homeopathy. They come to homeopathy, whatever is the ailment may be, from cold to cancer, we are able to treat patients. Name anything, it is an allergic bronchitis or any skin disorders or any respiratory disorders or anything on earth, homeopath can treat better. So please, through my website, I just want to spread homeopathy. This is my main motto in doing my website, and to educate people about homeopathy.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ. ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಸೆಂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ ತಜ್ಞರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾಂತಲಾ ರುದ್ರೇಶ್ ಅವರ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸು ಅವರ ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಚ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
Thank you, Purnima. I'm fine.
Ma'am, can you please introduction about you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm Jayashree Bhagwan. I live in Shankapuram, Bangalore.
Okay.
And I'm a biochemist, and also I'm teaching German.
Okay, you're teaching German. It's really a good thing to hear.
Yeah.
Since how long do you know Dr. Shantala Rudresh here, ma'am?
I know Dr. Shantala for the past 6 years.
Okay.
A cousin of mine introduced me to her.
Okay.
And that was a time I was having a couple of long existing health issues.
Okay.
I was ignoring them, but there was a stage where I couldn't ignore, and I was looking out for a treatment, with proper treatment with no side effects. So that's how I came to Dr. Shantala.
Okay, how do you feel with Dr. Shantala Rudresh? After getting through treatment, how do you felt like?
I'm fine. I'm almost back to normal.
Okay.
And I feel this is absolutely amazing. I feel very good now.
Okay, ma'am. What would you like to tell people who want to go to undergo this homeopathy treatment?
See, the thing is regarding Dr. Shantala, she's a brilliant doctor. And the best thing about her is she takes a lot of time for her patients, and especially now in this jet set age, life is so hectic and people have no time. Dr. Shantala takes a lot of time for her patients, listens to them carefully, which is a very, very important point in the relationship with doctor and the patient. And these medicines are very effective, and they have no aggressive side effects. So that's what I feel, awareness should be created among people, that they should really go in for these treatments. It will help them on long run. It definitely, their treatment takes time.
Okay.
But there are no side effects.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, at last, for the final question is that how you feel being here, ma'am, with Shantala Rudresh, and what you find like?
Yeah, I feel very comfortable here, feel very at home here because of you all,
Okay,
the
thank
staff,
you.
very friendly staff, and of